Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to reply directly to a specific message on Messenger, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make your conversations clearer and more organized by replying to messages in a chat using the latest Messenger updates as of 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Messenger's icon is the familiar blue chat bubble with a lightning bolt tap on it to launch the app. Once you're in, scroll through your conversations and tap on the chat where you want to reply to a specific message. This could be a one-on-one chat or a group conversation. Find the message you want to respond to. It might be a question, a funny meme, or anything you want to address directly. Now here's the key step. Long press on the message you want to reply to. Just press and hold your finger on that message for a moment. You'll see a menu appear at the bottom or side of your screen, depending on your device. From the options that pop up, tap on Reply. Messenger will now pull that message into a reply box, so everyone knows exactly which message you're responding to. This is especially handy in busy group chats, or when a conversation has lots of different topics going on at once. Type your response in the text box. You can add emojis, GIFs, or even attach a photo if you want. When you're ready, tap Send. Your reply will appear in the chat, linked to the original message, making it clear for everyone what you're responding to. And that's it. With these quick steps, open Messenger, tap on the chat, long press the message, tap Reply, and Send. You can keep your conversations organized and make sure your replies never get lost in the mix. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on using Messenger efficiently. Happy chatting!